Hey there, it's Hannah, your study abroad advisor. Today, I've sent you an email with some remaining things that we still need to get you registered for your upcoming study abroad. This form is what we use to actually register you for your upcoming study abroad terms. You'll see this form has your name and your program information. We register students at full-time status for each quarter that you're abroad. So you'll note that we're usually going to put you in an INTL placeholder at 12 credits, which is full-time, unless you're going abroad in the summer or we know already that you're planning on taking a specific amount of credits or fewer for summer. These are going to be satisfactory, unsatisfactory grading. So you need to get a C- or better in order to get credit and have satisfactory grading. Also note that this will not impact your cumulative GPA. You will have a transcript from your program abroad that lists the names of the classes that you take as well as your letter grade, and you can feature that on your resume. But at Western, we're going to treat this like transfer credit. So the registrar's office is actually going to modify the levels and credit totals based on what you've taken abroad. So we put you in 12 at full time or at 6 for summer, and when your transcript comes in, we will modify that to be the levels of the classes that you took, as well as modify the individual credit amounts. If you're taking an online asynchronous course, in addition to your study abroad through Western or online at another location, please let us know. We will need to note that in terms of your registration, in addition to what we put you in. That won't impact most of you, but if it does impact you and we don't know about it, please email me and let me know the name of the class that you're taking and how many credits it is. With this form, all I need you to do, you're going to click on it and it's already set to go to the Ed Abroad email. All you need to do is click approve. This will date stamp the form so that I have what I need to then forward it to the registrar's office to get you registered for your upcoming term. And we will submit these when the registrar's office is ready for it. Again, please check the email that I sent you. You may have some additional items that we need for you to complete before I can submit your registration. I've also likely included a budget for you. So if you're curious about the cost of your program, but reach out with questions. Again, clicking this approve button is mostly what I need from you today. Cheers.